Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Paulie C. Today we're going to do a little bit of a lighting mod around my house. You see that light in the back here? It's actually pretty old. It's getting rusty. I want to change it into something a little bit more modern. So let's go look at what I got. Alright, so we got this outdoor wall fixture from Westinghouse. Let's open up and see what we got inside. Actually, before we do that, let's see. So it uses one medium base bulb, 60 watt max. I actually have a GOVEE light that's in that light right now, so I could put different colors up there. So I'm going to use that in there. And it's outdoor wet rated. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so I got it open. Let's see what we got inside here. We got all this mounting stuff here. Okay. Make sure we don't lose any of this. So I'm going to attach this maybe to here so it doesn't get lost. Of course, you got all the instructions here. It should be pretty straightforward, I'm guessing. Yeah, there's a positive and negative and your ground wire. And that's what we're going with. It's a little bit more modern. It's pretty solid, and actually it's got a bit of weight to it too, so it's not a cheap model, cheap unit. But the price was good. It was like between 20 and 30 bucks, so pretty decent. So we're going to take the old fixture off first, but first we're going to have to cut the power and see where the breaker is for that. Alright, so I've already determined that it's this one here. I went through them already, so shut that off. Alright, gonna take this old piece off here. Let's get back to it. It looks a little bit rusty, so I might have to maybe put some WD-40, but we'll see. I did take this part off before I put the bulb in, and came off with a little bit of WD, so let's try it. Alright, so we got the glass piece off. Actually, I just got a wrench and took this thing off here. It was a little bit rusted, but you know what? I don't even think I need WD-40. You just got to be careful. And these will be taken off with a 9mm. So I'm going to take those off now. Alright, so we did get the old fixture off. Unfortunately, these here snapped off. There's not much you can do, but we're just going to have to unscrew those, and as you can see in my hand, they're pretty rusty. They're old. There's not much you can do. So anyways, we're going to take some canned air and blow that out. Alright, so we got the section all cleared out here. It's pretty clean and ready for the new unit to go on. Alright, so that other unit, I'm actually giving it to a friend of mine. He's got like an old, I guess, a shed in the back, and he wants an old retro look. So I put it in the old the box that came with the Westinghouse light, and so it's gonna get some more use out of it after all. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to open this up and put the bulb in. Just a couple of screws. Yeah, so I'm going to drop the links to these in the description below, as well as these this GOVEE light. They're pretty cool. Like they're kind of expensive, but you can get them on sale on Amazon every once in a while. They do throw sales on them. You can change them to any color you want, and if you got the GOVEE app, you can also program it for this to come on. Like this, I got this on a timer right now. The switch that's there for this particular bulb. So that's it. All you have to do is put this. Yeah, this is all insulated too. So you got your ground, your positive, and your negative, and that's all you got to do is just hook it up. Alright, so the next step is just to install this so we can attach it to this. Actually, probably have to take this bulb off so we can get it through there. So let's go put this on. Okay, so we got it in position. All we have to do is screw these in, and there's the ground there. So we're going to put the ground there and then hook the positive and the negative up. Okay, so that's nice and secure. Alright, so I've hooked the negative wire up first. You can always cut this off and adjust it to the way you want it, but it holds the unit up while you're putting these on, the negative and the positive. So we'll put those on next. Alright, so we got everything connected up here. Make sure these are on secure, and next thing we're going to do is plug the bulb in and see if it's working properly. Alright, so that was a success. So the good thing about this unit is you can put it on this way or this way. I'm going to go this way. Yeah, this way here. A little nautical look to it. So let's get that put on. Okay, so all the wires are hidden neatly and tucked away properly. Make sure this nut is on there properly. All we got to do is put the bulb on, and then the 2 screws, and we're done. Alright guys, there it is, all nice and done up. Make sure these screws are on nice and tight. Now make sure when you're doing it you don't put them on slowly. You don't want to strip them and or take off the paint. These are nice and painted too, so actually they'll seal the unit right up. Make sure it's tight. As you can see in the back, it's insulated as well, so you shouldn't get any condensation in here. Alright guys, I just noticed there's only one bulb in this, so it's going to look stupid if I have it like that, so I'm just going to put it the other way. Alright, so there it is. Compare this up with a regular bulb, or I suggest LED. LED burns less electricity, and it's just better, more crisper look. Right now I got it on a cool white to match it up with the lighting that I got going on at night. I got another video, I'll leave in the cards up there on that stuff. Like I got a GOVEE light in there now, and you could do multicolors. I'll leave you links to that. They're great to have around the house. I got them in the front yard as well. So we'll leave links to that. Alright guys, here's a little bit on the GOVEE app. So all you gotta do is open it up. I'm just gonna show you what I got here. You can see got the garage and the front door that are not hooked up right now, or not activated, sorry. And the side yard east, which is this light here. So let's hit that, and you can do all the settings. You can see if you want to go all the way to white, you can see it up there, but you can also change the actual color. Yeah, they got all, look at that, red, orange, oops, I didn't hit that one, orange, green. Holy, that looks cool. The purple one's really neat. That's blue actually. That's a light blue. Purple. with like a white, and then you got your color wheel. That's really cool. You can, I think they said 16 million colors or something like that. Anyways, we're not gonna we're just gonna keep it like this for this outdoor scene at night. So there you go, guys, another chore out of the way. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. It's a beautiful Saturday. Perhaps I'm going to do some more solar lighting in the back, those ones that you hang up on, like, say, the deck or whatever. Some Christmas lights I'm going to put up too, whatever, you know, just to have that nice home look to it. Anyways, so that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Be sure to check out my Linktree, which has got all my links, Snapchat, Twitter, you name it, it's got everything on there. So be sure to check that out. Until next time, stay safe, have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Right, guys, along with the lighting that I did on this side of the house, I got these solar lights put in too. So I put those in, and we'll show you video tonight of those. It's gonna be the bonus footage of this video. I'll leave links in the description below. Plus, I put these Christmas lights around the deck too, and we'll put those on too. And then I'll do a little bit of walk around on all the lights that I have outside. We're gonna change the colors of this at night. So let's try red, orange, green. Sorry, that's yellow. Green, dark blue, light blue, purple, I love that one, and whatever that is. But as you can see here, you can move it around and make it so many different colors. For the bonus part of this video, we're going to do all the lighting stuff that we did in the house. So I didn't actually make a video putting this up. It's the address sign, and you can make it cool white, or like, you know, that color right there. So let's go around and see what we have. So let's start here. All right, so we got those lights, which I'm going to leave the links in the description. There we go. And I just love how they shine off the wall. Now let's go to the back here. Alright, these are all the lights that I've got. And like I say, even these things, I'll leave the links in the description below. You can see how they light the house up. And there's the strings of light. It's like 25 feet. And the Christmas lights that I put up along the deck. So basically, that's the setup there. Nice and bright.